Hi guys, my name is Shefali and welcome to our channel Transformatrix LLP. Today I am going to talk about GST. GST stands for Goods and Services Tax. It is applied to most goods and services that are sold for domestic consumption. The seller applies the GST to the cost of the product or a service and the consumer pays the price of the product along with the GST. The GST portion is then forwarded to the government by the business owner or the seller. It is the one tax that is applicable all over India. GST was introduced to replace a bunch of other indirect taxes such as service tax, VAT, excise duty, and so on. The main aim of this taxation system is to curb the cascading effect of other indirect taxes. The process of implementing the new tax system in India was a long process. In the year 2000, the then Prime Minister of India, Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, introduced the new tax system, that is GST, in India. On 1st July 2017, GST was implemented all over the country. There are 4 types of GST: Central GST, State GST, Integrated GST, and Union GST. This was a brief introduction to GST. To know more, stay tuned to our channel, and if you have any queries, please let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.